Hi everybody, welcome to Carteret Mobile Park. We're here today at lot G6 and we're going to be taking a look inside. We are Carteret, New Jersey is our location, conveniently located next to the Turnpike, New Jersey Turnpike and the Parkway. So this house has this beautiful concrete patio area for you to enjoy. There's outside electric, outside water, and this shed is included. It's been a beautifully maintained home, and it's a real pleasure to show it to you. It's got wonderful awnings that they added above the doors. These are fiberglass steps. And these are Andersen Storm Doors. So we're here during the quarantine, so I'm going to be showing you this house and you're going to laugh at my little purple gloves. So isn't this magnificent? This house is meticulously taken care of. It's almost as if it was staged for you. So all the furnishings, with a few exceptions, are included. The couch, the wing chairs. The living room area is carpeted, and all of the curtains and shades are included. The curio and the dining room set and all the carpets. It's got a wonderful chandelier above the table, and this is your kitchen, and it's right next to your living room. It's got an open floor plan. This is a Pine Grove home built in 2015. So here you have the carpeting on one side and the vinyl flooring on the other side. This house has a stainless steel sink with a little sprayer and all Whirlpool appliances. You've got the stove. Let's take a look inside. It's so pretty and so well kept. And here's the microwave, again meticulously taken care of. Pretty much with this house you just have to bring your clothes and move in. And these are wood cabinets with adjustable shelves. This little cabinet has doors on both sides for easy access. Let's take a look at the refrigerator. This is a side-by-side Whirlpool refrigerator. All the parts of the refrigerator are adjustable also. Let's peek more inside. This is called the dark cherry color cabinetry. Very elegant. This house is 14 feet wide and 56 feet long, so that's 784 square feet. Again, it's located at lot G6. And if you look in the description, I'll have all the particulars for this house. This is the back door. Isn't that pretty outside? It's a beautiful sunny day here in Carteret, New Jersey. We're in Middlesex County. So this is your Miller hot air furnace, and the central air conditioning runs through there also. Here we are. That is a skylight in the ceiling of that bathroom, which really is remarkable. This has a very large countertop for your bathroom, and that is your cosmetic box or medicine cabinet. And over here you have a linen Those are the blinds. Everything stays with the house, those curtains and the blinds. This is your pantry linen. Plenty of room for all your towels or toiletries. This is a bypass door, and this is a one-piece fiberglass unit with 2 grab bars. That's a plus. I love this paper in this bathroom. It really makes it very elegant. It's a beautiful look. So there's the full view of the bathroom, and those doors are an upgrade. That's a 6-panel door. It just lends itself to a much more elegant looking home. So these are the washer and dryer, and they also stay with the house. There's the hookup, and then you've got an emergency valve to turn off if you're leaving the house for any time period. Here's a peek inside. Again, the wooden cabinets, they match the kitchen, and they too are adjustable. So let's take a look at the master bedroom. There's a little carbon monoxide detector. Isn't this pretty? This is so lovely. Actually, with all these furnishings in the house, you get an idea of how much room there actually is. It really dispels the myth of it being crowded. There's a lot of myths about our manufactured housing, but this house really strongly contradicts all that. Just a lovely place to live. So here's the 2 doors for the full length of that wall closet. You've got a wire rack at the top from one end to the other, and then the screens for the Andersen Storm Doors are left there for you. There's the light above. This is a pitched ceiling, so it makes it much grander, taller. Really very pretty. Again, the bathroom. And then you can see the whole view here as we walk through to the other side of the house where the second bedroom is located. These are steel doors for the outdoors. Isn't this lovely? Just beautifully well decorated, and again, the curtains and the valances and the shades all stay. And the furnishings here also stay. It's amazing to see the twin bed and the 2 nightstands to show you how much fits in a bedroom. Here's a closet. Let's take a look from one end to the other, and again you'll see how much space there is. Both bedrooms are carpeted. This is a great insulated home. We've always been pleased with the homes we receive from Pine Grove. Living room paddle fan is included. So if you're interested in this house, please email us at info@dolanhomes.com, and that's how we start the intake process. And check out our website, myhomeincarteret.com.